Pivoting into the design space can be very intimidating, especially if you're trying to land your first client. Here's what I did in order to earn my first $1,000 in UX UI design. Hi, my name is Jason Romero, and my wife and I got out of $166,000 of non-mortgage debt. Through this process, I found myself in user experience, user interface design, and it has been an amazing journey ever since. When I was fresh out of the UX UI design program that I went through, I was incredibly intimidated by other really well established designers, and it was just intimidating. So for me, two things came to mind. One, I needed to take care of my family, and two, we had financial goals that we wanted to meet. And so because of those two things that came to mind, I pushed forward. Because of those two things that came to mind, I pressed forward. Because of those two things that came to mind, I leaned in and continued to get better at my design skills. And thankfully, it has been an incredible journey for me. It's been fun and it's been humbling too. When I was working on my Upwork and Fiverr accounts, I wanted to be able to communicate effectively and clearly what skill sets I brought into design. So I've been a school psychologist for now 13 years. So when I started in the design field, I brought in those skills that I had learned as a school psychologist, and it definitely helped me in the design space. I was able to articulate the skills that I brought in, ability to problem solve, listen to others, effectively communicate, and also use data in order to be able to serve and find help for others. The platforms that I was using at the time when I first got out of my bootcamp, I used Fiverr and Upwork, and this is where I mainly held a lot of my portfolio, other than my personal website, of course. I was able to package these skills into my Upwork and Fiverr accounts, and this helped me to get myself out there and to be able to try to find my first client. So a gentleman reached out to me, and he was making well over $1 million a year in his company. Now, he didn't need a logo, he didn't need a website or any type of branding. He wanted someone that was skilled in the area of research. As a school psychologist, research is something that I am very well used to doing, and he noticed that I had skill sets in the research area, and the school psychology field definitely helped me stand out. And he actually told me that I was the only one with this background on Fiverr or Upwork, and he noticed that, and which is the reason why he reached out. Now, for me, I completely forgot with all of the things that I was developing. I forgot that I also set up an Instagram account, and he actually reached out to me at that account. And later I noticed that, and that was kind of my rookie mistake, but he was adamant about getting in contact with me, and so he found my skill sets needed within his company. So it was awesome to hear that. Thankfully, I was able to work with him for some period of time, and he also brought in another gentleman that was working on his marketing side, and so communicating with these two individuals helped me improve my skill set, but also they challenged me in different areas like marketing and doing analysis for the markets that they were in, and being able to provide a service as well. And so it was a great learning experience for me. I definitely grew in this area, and then learned to refine my processes as a freelancer, and my skill sets, and especially communicating effectively what I brought to the table for their team. Because of this opportunity, I was able to upgrade my laptop, and I stayed within budget. And thankfully, I was able to get a new Apple 13-inch MacBook Pro with the M2 chip, and that was a huge blessing for me. And glad that I was able to stay within budget, and also it gave us some encouragement and hope that this field that I got into was profitable, and it was very much rewarding. And so despite the challenges, I'm thankful that I have come into the design space, and it's been humbling, and it's been such a fun adventure for me, but I definitely learned a whole lot as a freelancer my first year, and I'm thankful that I made my first $1,000 working in design, and I'm very encouraged and thankful for the opportunities that I've had ever since. So, question of the day: what skill sets do you have that you can package and communicate clearly so that you can acquire more clients or build a project that you want for yourself that will help you gain momentum in your personal finances? If you gain value out of this video, please like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. And thank you so much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.